Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Smart AI Manager. With this product, you can manage all your AI modules in one place. You can easily connect any AI to work with them from one dashboard. You can also generate and store your images, PDFs, and content directly on your storage drive. Let's take a look at how it works. This is your dashboard. Here you can see all your real storage, vault items, collections, source prompts, and shared files. And here you can also view your activities. In the third section, you can connect all your AI sources. There are quick action buttons that you can manage from your menu as well as from here. This is the storage overview. You can view your storage from here once you connect your drive. Let's check how this all works. To connect your AI source, simply click here. Enter your account label name and enter your OpenAI API key. Then click Connect and Continue. Wait a few seconds and your ChatGPT is connected. Here you can easily generate any image, content, or code. Anything you need can be generated right here. That's how simple it is to connect your AI module here. Let's check out the Quick Actions feature. There is an Upload File option. You can simply upload any images or videos from your local storage. Next, there is a new AI chat option. Simply click on this. It will open a new ChatGPT AI chat for you. This is the new prompt. Simply click on this. Here you can save any prompt that you want to use in the future. You can easily add any prompt here. If you want it to run automatically, simply click on this option. Or if you don't want it to run automatically, just leave it empty. Then click on Save Prompt. You can use this save prompt anytime. Simply click on it and the prompt is ready to use. We have the collection section. Here you can see all your collections. Any item you generate from your ChatGPT modules or any other modules will appear in the collection section. And now we have the shared link option. Whenever you generate any chat, you can simply share it with your users. They can see how you use the prompt in that chat, so your users can review it. And here's the most important feature, the universal search. By clicking on this, you can search for any images, AI modules, chats, or anything else across any AI. You can simply search here by typing the name, whether it's the first name or the file name. You can search from here. This is the universal search. From here, you can search anything within the AIs. Let's look at one of the most important features, storage. In the storage section, we can connect our Google Drive. Once you connect your Google Drive, our product will automatically create a dedicated folder on your drive. All the images generated from ChatGPT or any other connected AI module will be saved directly into this folder. We will not access anything beyond this folder. None of the other files or folders on your drive will be accessed. We will only access the folder that is created when you connect your drive to our product. You can easily upload any images from your local system. You can also create a folder here. You can check your storage workspace and manage it by connecting your drive here. You can simply disconnect it. If you want to connect another drive, simply disconnect this one and connect a different drive.